Next we are discussing orthocenter. So first we are discussing what is orthocenter. So we have a triangle. This is triangle ABC. In this triangle, from A we are drawing altitudes. Okay, so from A we are drawing altitudes. So this is what AD. This angle is what 90 degree. Similarly BE. So this angle is what 90 degree, and similarly CF. This angle is what 90 degree. This point is called orthocenter. Okay, so what is orthocenter? It is intersection point of altitudes. Okay, so AD, BE and CF is what? Altitudes. Okay, now here we have to find out length of orthocenter from angular points. That means we have to find out AH, BH and CH. These three we have to find out. Similarly, we have to find out length of orthocenter from sides. Okay, perpendicular distance. So we have to find out DH, FH and EH. Okay, this distance also we have to find out. HE, SD and HF. So these three also we have to find out. Okay, so for finding this one, what you will do? See, first we are taking triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. This angle is what? A. So from here angle ABE we are finding. Okay, angle ABE. So this full angle is what? A. This angle is what? 90. So this angle will be what? 90 minus A. Okay, so this angle is what? 90 minus A. This will come. Okay, this side is what? A. This side is B and this side is what? C. Okay, so in this triangle we are using, this is what? 90 minus A. First we are finding AE. Okay, so A is what? Perpendicular, because this angle is what? 90 degree and this is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, so we know perpendicular and we know hypotenuse, so we will use here sine rule. So here sine of 90 minus A. Sine of 90 minus A is what? Perpendicular AE divided by hypotenuse AB. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? AE इक्वल टू what is AB? AB is what? C. So what will come? C sine 90 minus A. So AE equal to what? C sine 90 minus A. Okay, so sine we are converting with respect to y-axis, so it will convert in terms of cos A. And 90 minus is what? In first quadrant. So sine is positive, so we'll get plus. So AE equal to what? C cos A. This we got first. Okay, we want to find out AH and HE. Okay, first we are finding AH. तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? First you see triangle ADC. You see triangle ADC. This angle is what? 90. This full angle is what? C. So this angle will be what? 90 minus C. We can say this one. This angle is what? 90 minus C, because this is what? C. This is 90 and this is what? 90 minus C, because sum of angles will be what? 180 in a triangle. Okay, so from here we got angle DAC. This is 90 minus C. Okay, and we know side AE. So according to this angle, this is base and this is hypotenuse. Okay, so when base and hypotenuse is given, then we'll use cos formula. So यहाँ से हम यूज करेंगे cos of 90 minus C. So cos of 90 minus is what? Base. Base is what? AE divided by hypotenuse is what? AH divided by AH. Okay, so from here AH we have to find out. So AH equal to what? AE divided by cos of 90 minus C. So what will come here? AH is as it is. What is AE? So AE we got C cos A. C cos A. And cos 90 minus C is what? Sin C. This will come. Okay, so C by sin C. We know sine rule. So C equal to what? 2R sin C. So from here C by sin C is what? C by sin C is what? 2R. So C by sin C we can write 2R. So AH equal to what? 2R cos A. This is AH. Same way we can find out BH also. Okay, so for AH what is coming? 2R cos A. Similarly BH will be what? 2R cos B. And for CH this angle will be there. So what will come? CH equal to what? 2R cos C. Okay, so we got AH, BH and CH. Next we have to find out HE. Okay, so in this triangle only, if you see AHE, okay, we know base, we have to find out perpendicular. So here we have to use tan formula. So what will come here? Tan of 90 minus C. Tan of 90 minus C. So this is perpendicular. So what will come? HE divided by AE. तो यहां से HE क्या आ जाएगा? What is AE? AE is what? C cos A. C cos A. And tan 90 minus C. So tan 90 minus C is what? Cot C into cot C. This will come. So from here HE equal to what? C cos A. Cot C we can write what? Cos C divided by sin C. And C by sin C is what? 2R. So HE equal to what? 2R cos A cos C. 2R cos A cos C. Okay. So you can find out HE. Okay. So in HE, for finding HE, what are the angles are coming? One is this angle, other is this angle. Okay. So for finding HE, we are getting this angle and this angle. Similarly, for we want BH. Okay. DH. Okay, DH. Okay. So DH, in this one we will get angle B and angle C. So what will come? 2R cos B and cos C. Similarly, we are finding FH. Okay. Yeah, HF. In HF, we are getting this angle and this angle. So what will come? 2R cos A cos B. So like that we can find out HE, DH and HF. So distance from angular point we got and distance from sides also we got.